off to see my son. I'm so excited. I love you, little baby Earth. I can't wait to hold you. Squeeze. I made it. Now all I have to do is make it to the hospital without peeing my pants. And I don't know how I'm gonna remember where I am to get back here. Plus I have to walk. So annoying. But I made it. I made it. Whoever you are, fuck you. This is so 2006. Oh, yes, please. Hey, Bubba. Earthy. Hello. Hey, Bubba. Hey, little guy. Uh. Hey, little dude. Hey. It's Mommy. Hello, Bubba. Earthy. Aww. Oh, I missed you so much. You look so cute. Long time no see, my little guy. He's doing. Oh, there we go. I'm sorry. 1 mil a minute. No. What a sweet guy. Look at you. You're so beautiful. It's so beautiful, Earth. Can't wait for you to come home. I know. I know you're so eager to Mommy. Mommy didn't see you for so long. Like 5 days. Because Mommy was sick and I didn't want to come in here with the flu. But I'm better now. I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow. It's also so expensive to get here, but today I drove. Oh my gosh, don't tell anyone. Yes, I know, honey. I know, Papa. Hey, little man.
Use the left lane to take the exit onto Erskine Park Road towards Mount Druitt.
Yum. Got some CB lamb, pork belly, and beef. Some kimchi, cucumbers, and radish.
In my life, in my mind, where I make up stories all the time, and I pretend that I am not someone left to face the world alone. Lately I'm not the same. I found a stranger calling out my name. Had a feeling you would be so proud, and he's gonna leave me now, but he's not you.
I will always choose you.
Don't be no bendit, 'cause you didn't mean well. Didn't mean well. How you gonna play my favorite?
I got this for little baby Earth, and it's got his name on it. And there's an E on this part. And then this adorable little bracelet.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I pray wait for you.
It is what it is, people. You guys already